You start your car, and instead of a smooth purr, you notice a slightly rough idle, and that annoying check engine light glowing on your dashboard. If you have scanned the system and found code P0147, you are dealing with a heated oxygen sensor issue, specifically on bank 1, sensor 3. It might sound complicated, but let's break it down into simple terms. Your car's oxygen sensors have tiny heating elements inside them. This is because these sensors need to be incredibly hot to read the exhaust gases accurately. The heater helps them reach that operating temperature super fast, which gets your engine into what we call a closed-loop status much quicker. That just means the computer takes control of the fuel mixture sooner, saving you gas and reducing pollution. When this code pops up, it means the computer noticed that the sensor is taking way too long to heat up. Now, usually, you won't feel a massive difference in how the car drives, other than maybe that rough idle I mentioned, but you definitely want to fix it to keep your emissions system happy. To figure out the culprit, you are going to need a simple voltmeter or a test light. You will want to find the bank 1, sensor 3 oxygen sensor, and unplug it. With the key turned on but the engine off, check the connector coming from the car's wiring harness. You should see 12 volts of battery power there. It is just like checking if a wall outlet has power. If you see voltage, your next step is to check the ground wire. A bad ground causes just as many headaches as a broken power wire. If both power and ground are good, then the sensor itself is likely the failure point and needs to be replaced. However, if you do not find any voltage, do not rush to buy a sensor yet. Check your fuses. It is very common for the heater circuit fuse to blow. If you replace the fuse and it blows again immediately, you have a short circuit somewhere, likely where a wire is touching a hot exhaust pipe. Tracing that wiring can save you the cost of a new sensor. It is all about narrowing it down step by step, so you do not waste money on parts you do not actually need.